Hello everyone. Today I will show you a valuable remedy from medicinal herbs to cure difficult to treat diseases such as liver, colon, and high blood pressure, along with many other incurable diseases. Below are details about a remedy to cure 6 different diseases with only one type of leaf. Yes, it is the Vong Cach leaf, a type of leaf with extremely high medicinal properties. Here are some characteristics to identify this type of Vong Cach leaf. The underside of the Vong Cach leaf has few hairs. The upper side has veins. When young, the leaves are light green. When old, they turn dark green. The flowers of the Vong Cach tree grow at the tip of the branch, are small in size, and are grayish-white in color. The fruit of the Vong Cach plant is oval, turns black when ripe, and is usually harvested from May to November. The following are the chemical composition and uses of the Vong Cach plant. Experiments with frogs show that the active ingredient premnin in the Vong Cach plant has a sympathetic effect, dilating and reducing the contraction of the heart and dilating the pupils. This means this medicinal herb has the ability to increase salivation, cause vasoconstriction, increase intestinal motility, increase blood pressure, dilate the pupils, dilate the trachea, and more. And these are the miraculous effects of the Vong Cach plant on many diseases. It is good for patients with high blood pressure. Using the Vong Cach plant increases the ability to secrete saliva and improves intestinal motility, which stimulates appetite. Dilating the trachea helps make breathing easier. Patients with high blood pressure who use the Vong Cach plant will feel healthier. According to traditional medicine, the Vong Cach medicinal herb has many uses: clearing urine and improving digestion, protecting and improving liver function, treating rheumatism, increasing milk production after giving birth, supporting the treatment of Bastose goiter. In addition, the leaves of the plant can also support the treatment of urinary stones and skin tumors. A fresh decoction of the leaves of the plant is also used by folk to bathe and help treat pityriasis versicolor in newborns. After harvesting, the medicinal herbs of the plant will be washed, dried or sun-dried, and roasted until golden brown for later use. The recommended dosage of the plant is about 10 to 30 grams per day. The fresh or dried medicinal herbs can be used to make decoctions for drinking, cooked into a paste, or ground into powder and applied to the skin. The plant of the P. integration trifolia tree is a shrub or small tree that grows upright in tropical and subtropical forests, with thorns on the trunk and large branches. The average height of the tree is about 10 meters, and the trunk diameter is about 5 centimeters. Biological characteristics of the P. integration trifolia. The P. integration trifolia is a shrub or small tree that grows upright in tropical and subtropical forests. The trunk and large branches have thorns. The average height of the tree is about 9 meters, and the trunk diameter is approximately 5 centimeters. Here is how to process the P. integration trifolia tree into effective medicinal herbs. The first way to treat dysentery. Ingredients include 30 to 40 grams of P. integration trifolia leaves. How to make. Wash the medicinal herbs and soak them in diluted salt water for 30 minutes. Then put them in a mortar and pound them. After that, place them in a pot with an appropriate amount of water, boil, and filter the water to drink at once. If you find it difficult to drink, you can add a little sugar. How to prepare to treat poor appetite, jaundice, and bloating. Ingredients: 100 grams of gardenia leaves, 50 grams of Chinese clematis leaves, 9 grams of black beans, 9 grams of Indian pennywort, 20 grams of Chinese clematis, 9 grams of corn silk. How to make. Wash all the medicinal herbs, drain, then stir fry until golden brown or roast until golden brown. Spread them evenly on the ground to cool. When cool, boil with 800 milliliters of filtered water until 300 milliliters remain. Drink the water while it is still warm. This can be divided into multiple doses. It is best to drink 30 minutes after meals. Maintain this treatment continuously for 1 to 3 months, and the disease will be cured. Next is how to prepare Chinese clematis into medicine to treat liver disease. Ingredients: 100 grams of Chinese clematis, 10 grams of Chinese clematis leaves. How to make. Wash the medicinal herbs, soak them in diluted salt water, then drain. Boil with 1 liter of water. Boil until the amount of water is half of the original amount, then turn off the stove. Take the water and drink it while it is still warm. The amount of water obtained can be divided into multiple doses to drink throughout the day. Drink 30 minutes before meals. Maintain this method continuously every day until the signs of the disease subside. How to process the plant into a medicine to treat colon disease. Ingredients: grams of Atractylodase macrocephala, grams of leaves of the plant. How to make: wash the medicinal herbs and dry them in the shade. Then put them in a teacup with 30 milliliters of boiling water. Let it steep for minutes and then drink it warm. Use once a day. Remedy for low blood pressure with the plant Vong Cach. Ingredients: grams of dried Vong Cach leaves. How to make: wash the medicinal herbs and dry them in the shade. Then put them in a teacup and steep with 30 milliliters of boiling water for 30 minutes. Drink it warm once a day. Treating blocked milk ducts with the leaves of the Chinese clematis plant. Ingredients: 40 to 40 grams each of the leaves of the Chinese clematis plant and the Chinese clematis plant. How to make: wash the medicinal herbs, crush them, and squeeze out the juice to drink. Apply the pulp to the skin of the chest area once a day. Yes, so today I have just shared with you all about the miraculous healing method of the Vong Cach leaf, a type of leaf that seems useless, but it can save our lives. I hope you will save this remedy to use whenever needed. If you find the video interesting or useful, please give me one like and one follow. Thank you. Goodbye.